Jai Shri Gurudev. Good afternoon, dear children. I hope you are all safe by staying at home. Dear children, we are going to the second example in the days. Yes. So now, prove the days. Okay. What is the question, children? Prove that cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A is equals to 2 sec A. We have to prove the days. Yes. So now I am taking as a LHS to prove this one now. LHS is equals to cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A. Okay, so by taking the LCM of that, what should we get this line? That is 1 plus sin A of cos A will be given. Yes, so then by taking the cross multiplication is cos A into cos A will become cos square A plus then 1 plus sin A whole square. Yes or no, children? So then our first is equals to cos square A as is plus now it is in the form of a plus b whole square. Yes, what is the a plus b whole square, children? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Yes or no, children? So that is plus 2ab plus b square. Yes, so divided by 1 plus sin A of cos A. Yes or no, children? So then is equals to, yes, so here is one sort of this children, cos square A plus sin square A. According to our first trend, what should be this children? 1 plus 1 square is 1 plus 2 ones are 2 sin A. 2 sin A divided by, as we have to write, that is 1 plus sin A of cos A. Yes or no, children? So then our first is 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 2 sin A divided by 1 plus sin A of cos A. So then if you are taking as a 2 is a common, that is I am taking as 2 is a common, that is 2 of 1 plus sin A we should be get. Yes or no, children? 2 when you are taking the common is 1 0 will get now 1 plus 2 when you are taking the common will become 1 into sin A will become sin A divided by what is the remaining, children? 1 plus sin A of cos A. Okay, so one short of this line 1 plus sin A is cancelled now. What is the remaining, children? That is equals to 2 by remaining part in the denominator is cos A. Okay, so then is equals to 1 by, it means is 2 by cos A will become means is I am taking as a 2 into 1 by cos A, so is equals to 1 by cos A is for which is the reciprocal, children? Sec no, so that is 2 sec A, so it is RHS. Yes or no, children? 2 sec A means is a we got that is LHS is equals to RHS. So hence it is proved. Okay. Next, children, main important what you want to be remember that means is identities. Okay, so by applying the identities, will be get that is LHS equals to RHS. They should understand now. We are going to the one more Excel problem now. What is given as one short we understand that is prove that under root 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A is equals to sec A plus tan A. Okay, this line you have to be remember this mainly is a when given as a square root symbol, you have to do that is rationalize a denominator or as a numerator. Means is whatever it is you want to be remember that is rationalization. Okay, but it's depending on the RHS. Okay, see that is 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. Means is now in the RHS will become some place is there. Yes, so when does the place will become is denominator is a 1 minus sin A. If you lose the ratio as a denominator means is a plus you have to be multiply now. Yes or no, children? Means is a if will be multiply is a plus will become is a here is a plus will be again. Okay, if it is a minus is there means is rationalize a numerator, you have to do that is. Okay, so here is totally this type of questions is of totally 4 is a s. So in that is 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a means is sec a plus tan a, or is a 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a. If you given like that means is by doing that rationalize the numerator, you will get that is minus is here. Next, one more is a question is that is 1 plus cos a by 1 minus cos a. Then you should get that is cosec a plus cot a should be get. Okay, so if you are having the ratio the numerator means is you will get here is minus. Yes. So finally what you want to be understand that means is you want to do that is rationalize the denominator. You have to be remember that point is. Okay, so now by doing the solution will become says I am taking as a LHS. So what the LHS children that is 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a. Yes. So now I am doing the rationalize the denominator. Yes, while doing the rationalize the denominator, so what are writing the children? That is 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a into, we are doing this rationalize the denominator now, means is 1 plus sin a by 1 plus sin a. Okay, so then what should we get the children? Next one is it is equals to, see one says we have to be multiply the numerator and numerator children, so that is 1 plus sin a into 1 plus sin a means is 1 plus sin a whole square. This one children divided by 1 short of the children a minus b into a plus b. What is the children? A square minus b square. Yes. So that point you have to remember that is a square a minus b into a plus b is equals to a square minus b square. Okay, so by this rate identity we are writing now as soon as square root we have to put now. Okay, so now we have to be separate the numerator and denominator with the square root symbol. So that is square root of 1 plus sin a whole square divided by square root of 1 square root becomes 1 minus sin square a. Okay, now you have to do the squaring and the square root becomes is cancelled. Yes or no children? So then what should we get that means is 1 plus sin a by here is 1 short to observe that 1 minus sin square with the root means is according to our first and the what should we get children? Cos k. Yes or no children? So then what you have to do that means is you have to be separate the, okay, you have to be separate the from identity 1. Okay, so then that is 1 by cos a plus sin a by cos a. So it's equals to 1 short of this like 1 by cos a. The reciprocal for which one children? Sec a plus sin a by cos a, that is tan a. Yes or no children? So it is Alex or no children? Means is you are getting as a LHS equals to RHS. They actually understood now? I hope you are all understanding about this concept. Regarding this class, if you are having any doubt, please contact to me, and what you are sending the homework and the classwork must you have to be complete within the time, send through WhatsApp to me. Thank you.